specifically forcing you to tell me the correct definition or something. I'm just asking like whether you know, whether you have the basic idea or not, or anything which comes to your mind when you have the word mass and weight in front of you. Only Reem is said told me the answer. What about the rest? Nabila, Zad, Galvin?
Um, Mass is like it's the matter of an object, how it's taking the space and all, and weight is the force which is on the object towards the ground. Yeah, gravitation.
Very good. Very absolutely correct. That's great. So basically, so basically, mass is a kind of matter. You can say mass. So basically, we have two things. When we say mass and when we say weight. So mass is a matter, is a physical quantity of matter, which basically, suppose that if I have my body, clear? So I have my body, so bones and other things will have definite mass. They will have the quantity some of matter, muscles, or you can say the bones, which is made up of calcium, muscles, which is made up of meat, basically fibers. Yes or no?
Yes, yeah.
So it would have some definite value of measure. Clear?
Is clear.
Yeah. So mass is the mass of a body quantity of matter contained in it. Okay. The amount of matter contained in a body is called the mass of the body. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good. So one more thing is that mass is a scalar quantity. It will have only the magnitude, no direction. Clear? Who joined?
Yes, sir.
Hello, Arya. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I'm good.
Good evening.
I'm
Good evening.
just going to message that I did not get the link.
Okay. No issues, dear. Sorry for the miscoordination. Sorry for that. So, okay, Arya. So I didn't start. I've just started right there, just 2 minutes before the class. I'm taking the next topic, which is mass and weight. So mass, I've given the definition, which is the mass of a body is basically the quantity of matter contained in it. How much matter is basically there in the body of anything. Clear? So that thing is called as mass. Okay, and mass is a scalar quantity. It means that it will have only magnitude, no direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Next thing is that for the mass thing, like basically, so these are the major characteristics of a mass. How does it basically differentiate from the weight? When okay, one more thing, when you go to the doctor or somewhere like to basically to measure your weight, so that the measurement, it's that suppose that you are in the school and in the sports room, your PT teacher basically measures your weight. So that is weight or mass when they measure the
Wait.
weight.
Wait.
What about rest? Weight. Sad and
Weight.
Galvin. I've seen that like in my batches, boys are very silent, but the girls are very responsive. Like in my 10th as well. Now in the 9th, I'm seeing the same trend. Why boys? You have to involve in the same manner the girls are involving right now. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'm asking that you have to involve in with the same enthusiasm as the girls are involving in the classes. Okay? You have to be
Yes.
more proactive. Okay? So basically, next,
Yes, sir.
yeah, Galvin. I know, Galvin, you are very active in maths. Why are you so silent in physics? Yeah. Okay. So one more thing is that mass of a body cannot be zero. If any body is there in the universe, it will have some mass. It cannot be zero. These are most, suppose that in the exam, there is a question that distinguish between mass and weight. What you will write? You will write 3 points in the mass, you can say in the mass column, and you will write different points for the weight, which I will be writing right after this. Clear? Mass of a body cannot be zero. Clear? Hai?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt?
No, sir. I don't have any doubts.
Very good. Next is mass will remain change. It will not basically vary from one place to another place. Basically, suppose that if you are going in any part of the universe, so your mass will remain same. It will not change. Clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir. It's clear.
Clear? The mass of a body is constant and does not change from one place to another, from place to place. Place to place. Can anybody tell me what is the SI unit of mass?
Newton.
Yeah.
Who said Newton? I think Arya said Newton.
Yes.
Okay.
Sir,
What did you say, Dream?
it's
Nabila, Galvin, Zad.
um,
What about the SI unit of mass?
it's a kilogram.
Okay, Reem said kilogram, Arya said Newton. What about rest? Everybody has to
Gram.
answer.
Kilogram.
Zad said kilogram. Who said grams? I think Nabila said.
Kilogram.
Okay, Galvin said kilogram. So 3 said kilograms, 1 said gram, 1 said Newton. 5 students are there, na? Yes. So 3 said Newton. Oh, sorry, kilogram. 1 said Newton, and 1 said
Gram.
gram. Yes. So basically, the SI unit of mass is kilograms, which is kg. Clear? Kilogram is the SI unit of mass. Clear?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So that's all about the mass. So basically, there is no detail of the mass in this chapter. A little bit extension is there for the weight, because normally we usually measures something right in this in the like right in our surrounding is basically the weight of a body. We don't measure the mass. We measure the weight. Clear?
Yes, clear.
Chalo, theek hai, that's great.
Can you explain me that second last point?
This one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, suppose that Arya, you are living on the earth, right? But when you go to the moon, suppose that you visited moon for the holidays, because it's right now, I think it seems possible because everybody is going to the space for the space trips. So suppose that once in a while, like in the future, you go to the moon for the visit. What will happen is that the mass in basically which is in your body right now will be same as it is if you go to the moon, but your weight will not be same. Weight can change from place to place. This is the difference between mass and weight. Clear, Arya?
Okay.
Clear?
That was Nabila.
Okay, Nabila. Okay, Nabila.
But
I thought
yes, sir.
actually your
Understood.
voice, like Arya, your voice of Arya and yours is a little bit similar. So that's why I got confused. Okay, sorry for that. Okay,
Okay,
Nabila. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Is this clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, theek hai. Now come to the point weight. So this is a little bit more important than mass because we use these terms in the normal life. Clear? So basically, your weight is the weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted towards the center of earth. So I've told you that earth attracts everything. Like
Yes.
earth has a gravitational force now.
Yes, sir.
So basically the gravitational force which is exerted on the body towards the center of earth is called the weight of a body. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Clear? So that's the weight of the body. So now tell me, now there's one difference. So I've told you in the starting of the class, universal law of gravitation is that, how many of you remember this formula? F is equals to G m1 m2 by r square. So m1 is the another one body and m2 is the other body. So now tell me, if suppose that okay, now tell me everybody, you are going to the basically suppose Jupiter. Suppose that thing, you
Okay.
are going to the Jupiter. Okay. So your weight will be same at the Jupiter or it will be different?
It will be same.
अच्छा ठीक है Reem said it will be same. What about the rest?
It's
It will be different.
Okay, it will be different for according to Nabila and Zed, right?
Arya, sorry, sir. Arya
Okay.
also weight will
Arya
be
also. What about Galvin? Galvin, what's your
Same,
thoughts?
but the gravity of another planets will be less.
It will depend. Basically, that we will discuss that later, whether it will be less or more. But I'm asking that weight, just normal thing. The weight will be different or same?
It will be different.
It will be
It will
different.
be
Okay. Yeah. Yes. The main reason, the main thing, the main difference between the mass and weight is that weight is a force. It's not a, you can say, like proper physical quantity which is there in your body. Weight is a force. Clear? So whenever
clear.
you go to
Yes, sir.
another planet, the force of gravity exerted by that planet, that gravity will define your weight on that planet. In the Earth, I've told you that G, acceleration due to gravity, the acceleration, because the body, basically the Earth exerts a force. So acceleration made by that force is equals to what? 9.8 meters per second square or 10 meter per second square. In the
Yes,
last
sir.
class, I've taken that now. Acceleration due to gravity. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yeah. So that defines your weight on any of the planet. That's why weight changes, but mass does not changes. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, no.
So your basically your weight is equals to W is equals to M mass into G. G is your basically the you can say Earth gravitational, basically acceleration due to gravity of Earth. So it will be different for other planets, but for Earth, it's 9 point. G is equals to 9.8 meter per second square or 10 meter per second square. So it depends. Basically, if the question is saying that 9.8, we have to take 9.8. If the question is saying that you have to take 10, so we have to take 10. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Clear.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, that's great. So basically, your mass is this. An SI unit of, one more thing is that, let me write that thing. Now, and everybody tell me, can a body be weighted at 0? Like, is it possibility that the weight of a body will be 0?
No, it's not possible at all.
Okay, like Reem said, it's not possible at all. What about rest? Zad, Galvin, Arya, and Nabila? Is it
I'm not
possible?
sure.
Okay, not sure. Nabila said not sure. What about Zad?
Not possible.
Acha, Galvin said not possible. What about Zad and Arya?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, I didn't hear the question.
I'm asking that is it possible to be a body having weight equals to 0? Is there any
Like,
possibility?
like
There is no
of
gravity.
a body, right?
I didn't get the word. What are you saying, Reem?
No, the weight of a body, right?
Is the weight of a body. I'm saying weight of a body. Zad said it. I didn't get your word, Zad. Can you please repeat that again?
If there is no gravity, there will be no weight.
Okay, so I'm asking whether it's possible or not. Like, I'm not asking that basically gravity will be there. I'm just asking a general question. Can a body be have a weight of 0?
No,
Hmm?
sir.
Okay, Zad said no. Chalo, theek hai. Yes, the body can have a weight of 0.
Oh, what?
Yes, because if there is no acceleration due to gravity, put the value of gravity as 0. Mass cannot be 0. I'm not basically touching the mass at all. I'm just saying the gravitational acceleration due to gravity, which is basically there by the gravitational force. Suppose that, okay, so this becomes 0. So what will happen? Your weight will become equals to 0. Now see, a
Okay.
body can have weight equals to 0. The weight of a body can be 0.
Uh,
Clear? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
I
Sure?
never imagined the weight can be a 0.
Yes, dear. Weight can be 0. Weight can be 0 at the center of the earth. You will feel weightless. Okay? And one more thing, you will feel weightless. Suppose that I will give you the example. Okay, so let's take, yeah. So weight of a body can be equals to 0. Clear?
Yes, clear.
And the SI unit, and one more thing, that weight, I've told you that weight will be changing from one place to another place.
Yeah.
The weight of a body will be different from place to place, because it depends on weight, depends on the acceleration due to gravity. And so some planets have greater acceleration due to gravity because of the higher gravitational force. Gravitational force depends on the mass. If the body have the greater mass, so the value of gravitational force would be greater, and therefore your acceleration due to gravity will be more for that place. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir,
Any
clear.
doubt?
No, sir, no doubts.
Very good. Next point is SI unit of weight will be what? Can anybody tell me?
Newton.
Uh,
I think Nabila said Newton. What about rest?
Yes.
sir,
Arya,
can you
kg.
repeat the question?
kg. Reem, what are you saying there?
Can you say the question again?
I'm saying that SI unit of weight. Arya said
Uh,
kg, Nabila
kg
said
meter per second or Newton? I don't know.
one answer.
Sir,
One answer,
it's
Arya.
Meter per, sorry, Newton.
Okay, Newton. Galvin and
sir,
Zaid.
it's
Yes, read.
Newton.
kg meter per
Yeah.
second.
Kg meter per second. Okay. Chalo,
Newton.
okay. Newton. What about Galvin?
Sir, Newton, I'm guessing.
Newton. So basically, everybody, yes. Okay. So those who have said that the SI unit of weight will be Newton, so it's correct. Because weight is a force. Weight is a force. So weight is a force. It means that the SI unit of force is what? What is the SI unit of force?
Newton.
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 It is the SI unit of weight will also be Newton. Clear? Eh?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Which is N, capital N. Clear? I hope it's clear to everybody.
Yes,
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Any doubt till now?
No, sir. No doubts.
Okay, so there is a concept between that here. So weight, this is a topic, weight on the moon. So now, like in the future, I hope that everybody will be visiting the moon. Okay, so basically weight of a body on moon. So now tell me what like the weight of the body on moon will be same as the weight on the earth?
No.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay.
No,
Why?
sir.
Can anybody tell me what's the main reason behind that? Apart from
Yes.
because mass will be same.
Because gravity is
The
different.
gravity.
Yes.
Gravity.
Yes. Very good. Because of the gravitational force exerted by the moon on that body, it will be less because mass of the moon is less than the earth. Moon is smaller than the earth, na? So it means mass will be less than the earth.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically there can be a one question in your exam why the body feels body is less weighted measures when a body is measured on earth is more than the moon. Why? Because the gravitational force or the acceleration due to gravity is the 1/6 times of that earth. So the gravitational force of moon is 1/6 times of the earth. So gravitational force, if 1/6 times, so your acceleration due to gravity will also be decreased by six times by a factor of 6.
Yes.
Force, everybody see just a second. So W is equals to M into G. एक M into G है और एक W dash है वो which is mg/6. So अगर मैं इसको ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ mg को W की can I write mg as W? mg as W, yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah. So W/6. So the weight of the body on moon will be 6 times less than the weight on the earth. You can see that 6 is getting divided. Basically, your weight is getting divided by a value by a denominator 6. It means that suppose that a body has a weight of 60 Newton on earth. When you take the body on the moon, your body will become 10 Newton. See that 10 Newton. That's why in the space we don't walk, we basically fly or jump, something like that, because the gravitational pull is very low. Clear? And when we float in the space, it means that your body is completely weightless. It means there is no gravitational force. That's why you're able to float in the space. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is a very important. So 2 markers question, conceptual questions will be there. Clear? Weight of a body on moon. Okay. The gravitational force of the moon is so the weight of a body will be 1/6 times weight of the earth. Clear, everybody?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
Any doubt?
No doubt.
No, sir.
Sure?
Sure, sir.
ठीक है. Okay, so let's do some questions. So this is the question. So solution, let's do this question. So mass of a body is 5 kg.
Okay.
5 kg is the mass of a body. Okay, so what will be the weight? So how we can calculate the weight? Can anybody tell me?
Weight equal to m into g.
I mean to G, what will be the value of G? Can anybody tell me?
5 kg.
It's the mass, Arya, not weight. Sorry, not
Oh.
G. I'm asking the value of G.
9.8 or 10.
9.8.
9.8. Yes, 9.8. Very good. So 9.8 is the weight. Sorry, gravitational acceleration due to gravity. 9.8 meters per second square. So your weight of a body is defined as the formula m into g. So weight will be equals to 5 into 9.8, which is 49 Newton. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, next thing is that, so I've taken this straightforward question so that you can understand. So basically, one kind of, you can say proof, or you can say a question, a 3-mark question is there in your syllabus. Like we have to prove that the weight of a body on the moon is 1/6 times of the earth. We have to prove that thing. Okay. So let me write this thing as the question. This is a very important question. It can be a 3-marker or a 5-marker. It depends on the paper setter. Clear? Show that at the weight of object on the moon is 1/6 of its weight. Weight on Earth. Clear? Okay. Everybody clear? So
Yes,
this is
sir.
your solution. So let's suppose small m, let m be the mass of object. Here, mass of object is m, the smaller mass. Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
And and just a second. M is the mass of moon. Clear?
Yeah, okay.
R is the radius of moon, because radius is a sphere. Oh, sorry, moon is a sphere, so it will be in the radius. So radius of moon. So if I need to, okay, and one more thing. Okay, now tell me, force will be equals to G M1 M2 by R square. Yes or no? Force is
Yes.
nothing but weight. Weight, na? Force is weight.
Yes.
So can I write
Yes.
Wm? This is as this, the value of weight of moon as Wm is equals to G into capital M, the mass of moon, into M, the smaller mass, divided by R square. Can I write it or not? This is your equation number 1. Universal law of
Yes, sir.
gravitation. Gravitational force. This is how you calculate the gravitational force between two objects. How they are attracted, how much, with how much force. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That's great. So basically, that's the weight of the moon. Basically on moon, the body on moon will be weighted this much. Now, now for the earth. So basically, there is a estimate. You have to memorize this thing. There is an estimate. Mass of earth is 100 times of moon. Mass of earth is 100 times of moon. So mass of earth is equals to 100 times of moon. Mass of moon. Okay? Because earth is very
Yes,
big in
sir.
comparison to moon. And radius radius of earth is 4 times than the moon. Here, now again F is equals to G M1 into M2 by R square. That's how you calculate the gravitational force between two objects. So this force will be equals to W earth. That's the force. That's the weight on earth of that object. Yes or no? Because mass
Yes.
of earth is taken.
Yes, sir.
So G will be same. I have told you that G will be same everywhere in the universe, whether you are going in the, like on the Mercury, Mars, anywhere. It will be same. Okay. Value of basically the mass of earth. Now tell me, mass of earth can be written as 100 m, because mass of moon is m, and 100 times it's multiplied with 100 times of m. Yes or no? And small m will be same because object is same. Mass of object will be same on the moon and earth. Mass
Yes, sir.
is constant. Very good. And radius of moon, basically radius of earth is 4 times the moon. And we have to square this. That's what the
So,
formula is saying. Yes, Arya. Yes, Nabila. I think Nabila is saying something.
no, me.
Okay, Arya.
No, so what did you write after the formula? Is that WE or W? Both
W
are-
E E E E
Oh, what is E?
E Earth. Basically,
Oh,
I have taken
okay.
the subscript as Earth. M is here as for moon.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. So it will be equals to 100 into G into M by 16 R square. Clear? Eh? Because 4 times it's getting squared, na? Whole thing. So 4 into 4 will be 16 and R square will be R square. This is your equation number 2. Clear? Yes or no? At least say. Is that
Yes,
clear
sir.
to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
It's
sir.
clear.
So now what I need is that I need to show that mass of earth, mass on the earth is sorry, mass on the weight on the moon is 1 by 6 times of the earth. So basically, if I divide these equation, I will get the ratio of these masses. And that's what I need to prove. I need the ratio. Because this is 1 by 6 is the ratio, na?
Yes.
Yeah. So dividing. This is a very important question, everybody. Dividing equation 1 by, it can be there in the school exams. Clear? So Wm divided by We, which is equals to G into M by R square divided by whole. Now G into sorry, 100 into G M into M by 16 R square. So this is a double division. See that this one is division and this is the second division. So it's called double division. So in the double division, when you have to simplify it, what you do is that the denominator part of your double division, this part will go in the new denominator of your above division, and this part will go in the numerator. Clear? So how will it look like? W by M by WE is equals to G M into M by R square is missing here, R square, okay, into 16 R square divided by 100 into G into M into M. Clear? Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. G will cancel is this G. This is in numerator, this is in denominator, both are same. M will cancel out this M. Small m will cancel out this M. And R square will cancel out this. So what will be left? WM by WE, which is 16 by 100. So it comes out to be 8 by 50 and 4 by 25 directly I'm writing 4 by 25. So 4 by 25 is left. So 4 6 are 24. So it will be approximately 1 by 6. You have seen the 4 into 6 is equals to 24. So if you divide this, it will be 1.61 something. So I can write it as approximately 6 times, not 1.6, it will be 6. If you divide 4 and 25, you will get in the denominator 1.61 something. So can I write it as approximately equals to 1 by 6? Because I need to just remove this decimal. It's not that much. It's not 6.5 or 6.7 something. So it's not a great decimal, like a larger part. So I can ignore this. Clear?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
clear, sir.
Yeah. So your mass, so your weight on moon divided by weight of earth is equals to 1 by 6. Clear? So you can write this as WM. So WE. So basically, if you divide the weight of earth by 6, you will get the weight of moon, that weight of body on the moon. If you divide the weight of body on the earth by 6, you will get the, so this is how you will prove, hence proved. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
Any doubt?
Yes, sir. No, no, sir.
Sure.
No, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
This is a very important question, everybody. Like, don't miss this question while you are revising the concepts. Clear? That's why I've make it as important. Clear? So don't miss this question. This can be a 3-marker question in your school. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah. So let's do some more numerical based on this. So how many of you are aware of the class assessment after the class, everybody?
Sir, I didn't got you.
Okay. I think Galvin, you have given the assessment of the maths similarly. I think, okay. Zad, you have also given the assessment of maths, like just like the MCQ questions on the app after the class.
No, sir.
You have not given that thing?
No, sir.
Okay.
Oh, sir, I have.
Arya's Arya. Okay, Arya. So similarly, your basically from now onwards, there will be an assessment of the physics as well. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
sir.
For that,
Okay.
So 5 MCQ questions are there and 30 hours will be given to you to solve that thing. Okay. So 5 questions will be there. First one is conceptual, straightforward question. Second will be assertion reason types. Third will be calculative. Fourth will be analytical, and fifth will be advanced. Advanced is a little bit, you can say, a good question, a tougher one. Clear? So 5 questions will be there. 30 minutes will be the total time. There is no limit for any question. So whole time is given 30 minutes, 30 or 35 minutes. So you have to solve, and then that's basically that will prepare your MCQ type questions for the CBSE boards, because 20 questions are there for the CBSE, right?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Only Reem is saying, sir. Like, what about the
Yes,
rest?
sir.
You will
Yes,
have the
sir.
MCQ questions in
Yes,
the
sir.
paper, na? Final papers.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yeah. So that questions basically will cover up your MCQ types preparation. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So don't miss this. Don't miss that test. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Um,
Just a second. Sorry for actually I'm having a little still cough.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So actually like okay. So now everybody got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
yeah.
sir.
So half an hour, 35 minutes will be given to you for that thing. And after that, okay, so that will cover up your all the types of MCQs. Okay, so take
Okay.
that test very seriously and attempt the questions with a very focused mind. Don't do like just take it for grantedly. Don't do this thing, because
Sir, which chapter?
the topic which will be covered in the class now will be asked in the assessment itself. Now we have covered the mass and weight. The same thing will be asked in the question. The
Okay.
topic will be mass and weight. Clear?
Yeah,
Um,
okay, sir.
Yeah. Whenever from now onwards, when we cover a specific topic, I will let you know which assessment is there. So you can go and how many of you know that where do you need to find the assessments? So when you will go in the app, okay, mobile, suppose that mobile app, so 3 dots are there, right? I think right in the left or right, so lines are there. When you click on it, last option is there, class assessment. When you click on it, there is a live test going, blinking live word will be there, so you have to click on that and go start. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir,
And on
actually, I have tried that. It's coming only till 10th. There is no 9.
dear, it will, you don't have to basically that is practice assessments.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So basically you have click the wrong option. So basically last option will be of the class assessment. Clear?
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chalo, theek hai. So let's do this question. Okay, so question is, a man weighs 600 newtons on earth. So W earth, let's write the form, all the things. So W earth is 600 newton. Clear? What is his mass? Takes G as 10 meter per second square. Okay.
Okay.
And the weight of the body, weight of that object, man, is 100 Newton on the moon. So Wm is given as 100 Newton. We have to
Okay.
find the mass. What is his mass on the moon? Mass. Now tell me everybody, will the mass change of that body?
No, it will not.
It will not. Definitely not. So we have
Yeah.
to, yeah. So first find out the value of mass of the body on earth. So We will be equals to M into G. So W is given as 600 equals to M is not given, G is 10. So M will be equals to 600 by 10, which is 60 kg. So mass of earth, basically mass of the body on earth will be same on the moon as well, because mass
Yeah.
is constant. It does not changes. So mass of body on moon will be same as of 60 kg. Clear hai?
Yes, sir.
Any Any doubt?
No, sir. So did I tell you that I have my exam
When?
in Jan, the second week, like since 10th Jan, they're gonna start. They didn't send timetable yet, but for science, like total 20 marks, 10 marks is MCQ and 10 marks is written.
Okay. So I think like you are saying it is in Jan, right?
Yes, it starts from Jan 10. They have not given the timetable yet, though. For physics, she has not given the portion yet, but I'm sure it's going to be the second chapter and maybe a bit of the third chapter.
Okay. So second is of like I think it's
Force
force
and
and
laws of motion.
force and laws of motion, and this is the gravitational part.
Yes.
Very good. No worries. So in that, I think we will be covering our syllabus before the like in the mid or the last week, third week of December, and after that I will be taking the backup of yours. Don't worry.
Okay, so
Yeah, don't worry about it. So we have to calculate the acceleration due to gravity on the of the moon. So Wm will be equals to m into g. Suppose that I'm using subscript, which is m for the gravity. So I have mass, I have weight of the moon. Clear? So Gm will be equals to 100 divided by mass is 60. So it will be, so when you divide this, it will be equals to 1.66 meter per second square. Clear?
Yes.
So that's your answer. Clear, everybody?
yes, so
Yes.
Any doubt?
No.
Sure?
Yes.
yes,
Sir, do
so
you know?
Yes, Reem, you are saying something?
Yes, physics used to be harder for me. When you started teaching me, it's kind of easy now.
Okay, thank you so much, dear, for the compliment. Thank you so much. Like it's your effort as well. You are also doing your best, so that's why you are able to understand the physics very easily. It's your effort as well, dear. It's not like completely mine. It's yours as well. That's
Okay.
right. Yeah, that's great. That's great that you are like basically that's physics become easy for you. That's a good thing. Okay, so now
Yes.
everybody, that is that clear to you or not? Please let me know.
yes, so
Any doubt?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sure.
Sure.
Okay, that's great. So that's all about this topic, mass and weight. Only two topics are left, which is thrust and pressure. Both are very easy topics, straightforward and short topics. And the last one is buoyancy and Archimedes principle. So that topic is a little bit, you can say, uh, a good topic in from which numericals can be there. So, inshallah, next class, I think next 1.5 class will be taken for this chapter only. Okay, because
Okay.
sound is very easy. Sound is like not a long chapter, and work, power, energies is like also have the some 3 topics only. So,
Okay.
so in the December itself, we will be covering the class. We will be covering the syllabus. Don't worry about
okay,
it.
so
Okay.
Okay.
So I hope it's clear to you, everybody.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt till now?
no,
No,
sir,
sir.
Sure.
Sure,
no,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
That's good. So that's all for this class, everybody, and take care. And right, just after this class, go and give the assessments. Clear?
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
sure, sir.
Okay, that's great. So thank you so much and goodbye. Take care.
Guys, so have
Okay,
a good
sir.
day.
Good night,
Same
sir.
to you. Same to you, dear. Same to you.
Bye.
Walaikum salam.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Karishma. How are you?
Good, sir. What about you?
Fine. I'm fine as well. Okay, so what about you, Adil? Why are you silent? Are you fine?
Yes, I'm fine. I just went to take my.
Chalo, ठीक है, that's great. गले की जो है ना अभी तक कफ नहीं जा रहा है, गले में बहुत ज्यादा पेन सा लग रहा है बोलते हुए, बिकॉज लाइक
सर
सुबह
गर्म
से
पानी
गर्म पानी तो बहुत पीता हूँ मैं. गर्म पानी भी एंड कुछ लाइक वो ना काढ़ा टाइप. सो
Yes,
हमदर्द कंपनी तो आपने सुनी होगी ना.
yes.
हाँ, तो वो उनका एक आता है जोशांदा करके काढ़ा. तो वो भी पीता हूँ मैं. लाइक मैंने सुबह से मेरी तबीयत बिल्कुल भी ठीक नहीं थी आज. आई वाज कंप्लीटली मैं.
काढ़ा पी लेते हो? कड़वा नहीं
हाँ,
पीते?
नहीं वो ऐसा होता है जैसे कि सौंफ का पानी, सौंफ होती है ना सौंफ, उसका
Yes,
जैसे
sir.
टेस्ट होता है, बिल्कुल वैसे टेस्ट होता है. वो कड़वा नहीं होता बिल्कुल भी, नॉट एट ऑल.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, वो अच्छा, उसका फ्लेवर बहुत अच्छा होता है. वो ऐसे लगता है जैसे कि आप एक टाइप से ब्लैक टी पी रहे हो आप, ये समझ लो आप. तो इसलिए सो वो चीज अच्छी होती है, मजा आता है उसे पीने में. तो थोड़ा सा ऐसा भी लगता है जैसे कि वो आपने विक्स खाई हो उसको पीने के बाद.
अच्छा सर.
सो इसलिए आज सुबह से बस कुछ भी नहीं, ऐसे ही आई वाज लाइक कंप्लीटली बेड रेस्टेड. और आज तबीयत बहुत ज्यादा डाउन थी. Just a second. So there is an assessment after this class, okay?
Okay, sir.
जो बात, आज बच्चे ज्वाइन नहीं गए. अच्छा, अभी 9:32 ही हुआ है. तो क्वेश्चन से अटेम्प्ट किए थे.
Yes, sir.
चलो ठीक है.
सर आप वो जो आपने क्वेश्चन दिया था कल प्रोबेबिलिटी वाला, उसमें आप वो बर्थडे वाला बता सकते हो, लाइक जो डिफरेंस था?
बर्थडे वाला वो ये सविता और हमीदा.
आई थिंक वही है.
अच्छा हाँ, बर्थडे इसी में ही है. हाँ,
हाँ.
इग्नोरिंग अ लीप ईयर. ठीक है ठीक है, कोई नहीं. अभी मैं इस क्वेश्चन को अभी बता देता हूँ आपको, डाउट क्लियर कर देता हूँ आपका. यही क्वेश्चन था आई थिंक.
यस सर.
या चलो ठीक है. So देखो, Savita and Hamida are friends. Okay, so Savita and Hamida are friends. What is the probability that both will have different birthdays and same birthdays, right? चलो ठीक है. So now tell me, अगर Savita, how many days are there in a year? Assalamualaikum, Abdullah, how are you?
365.
If I
Yes, 365. Good evening, good evening. 365 days हैं, ठीक है. तो उसमें से कोई से भी एक दिन हो सकता है.
yes sir.
अगर हमीदा का बर्थडे